Alright, this is my noise. I was talking about this every day. There it is right there. 5.5 pounds. And then it stops. It's every day.
Bye, Frank.
Yeah, come on.
You tried to FaceTime me?
10-4.
On purpose?
Negatory. I thought you was not. I was doing it to Jay, man, messing around with him, and I hit yours on accident. I tried to FaceTime you yesterday on purpose.
I didn't see the one yesterday.
Well, it might have been the day before. Yeah, the day before. I was on the way to work or something.
Roger.
But that was quick.
Oh, I ain't done.
Raw Joe. Now, I'm doing a little video gate on this iPad of that noise that's every day in my radio, and I'm at a minute and a half. I'm about to shut it down.
You doing what?
Making a little video gate of that noise, try to see if anybody knows what this noise is. It goes on and off. Or that static up in my radio.
Man, you ought to hear that shit over Cajun. That's crazy. That's 20 pounds, man.
Hey, 10-4. Yeah, on my other radio it is. It's about 9 to 10 pounds when it comes on. But this radio is it's not as loose. It may be a little bit better filter, and I don't know.
Yeah, that's the way this Connex is. It's something that's right here. It don't pick up nothing. That Yaesu, man, I mean, shit. Everybody come in there strong, you know, but on this one here, you know, y'all putting 9 to 10 pounds where they want to go. On this Connex, I put about 3 or 4.
Hey, Roger, there's my noise again. And it stopped.
You can still hear it in mobile?
Oh yeah, I can hear it in the mobile. If I walk out to the truck, I can hear it cutting on and cut off. Yeah, where you at, D-Man? Joe.
I got a good thing over out here, man. I'm so far away from everybody, and hell, I'm over a half mile from 19. Shoot, only power source around here is somebody from Port Light, you know. So I'll tell you what, man. It's very seldom I got over a 1 pound noise level.
Yeah, before I moved, man, I didn't have a noise level. It was just static, just very slight sound, man. I could have my volume all the way up and just barely hear it, you know what I'm saying? Here, man, I got 3 pounds. I can live with 3 pounds, but when it makes that noise to 5 to 6 pounds, man, that's ridiculous. Can't hear nothing.
You don't have a game to take it out, then you can't hear people. It's out there a little bit trying to holler at you. It's crazy. But anyway.
Not it again.
him
And
the
it
other
quit.
day, and he's kind of under the weather right now, but the guy that was going to put his antenna up got drunk and fell down and hit his head or something, and he, no, his neck, and they got him in a brace and shit, so he was hoping that that fiberglass, that IMAX 2000 wouldn't pick up as much electrical interference as aluminum antenna does. I don't know if that's true or not, so.
Yeah, I thought aluminum is way better on the receive.
I have no idea, man. Like I said, out here, it don't matter what I got up. You know, even the ground planes fly out here.
Yeah, I missed that. 5.5, and then it quits. Alright, I'm 10-7.